hope everybody's being safe and practicing social distancing at home and doing okay. I'm Alysia from the Cecil County Public Library. I work at the Elkton Central Branch as the teen services person there. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe for how to make sushi from home for our Teen Cuisine virtual programming series. So this is what your sushi roll will look like at the end. Let's take a look and see how we get there. All right, for this recipe, you're gonna need a cup of sushi rice, 2 small avocados, or you can also use 1 large avocado, 2 seedless cucumbers. You can also de-seed the cucumbers if you don't have seedless. You're gonna need 3 sheets of sushi nori. This is the seaweed paper that you use to wrap up the sushi. We're gonna make 3 rolls. You're going to need about 1/2 cup of imitation crab meat or kani. You're going to need a tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of rice vinegar. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the special way to make sushi rice. So you're going to take your 2 cups of sushi rice and you're going to put it in a glass bowl. Now, sushi rice needs to be rinsed off before you actually cook it. So you're gonna add water to your rice, and then you can just use your hands to kind of move it around and rinse the rice. You're gonna see the water becomes cloudy. All right, and then you're gonna dump that cloudy water out. And you're gonna want to keep rinsing the rice until the water runs clear. So you can repeat that again. Add water, move your rice around and rinse it. Dump your water. Try to dump as much as you can out without all the rice falling out of the bowl. All right, we're gonna do that one more time. 3 times is usually pretty good. And you see now your water is looking a lot more clear. So now you're going to take your rice and you're going to add a cup of water, and then you're going to cook it. All right, while your rice is cooking, you're going to chop your veggies. So I use my rice cooker to cook my rice. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes, but you can also follow the instructions on the back of your rice package to cook it on the stovetop. So I'm going to chop my avocados first. Whoa! How did that happen? Okay, so next you're going to peel and slice your cucumbers in thin, long strips. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to season your sushi rice. So you're going to add a combination of 3 ingredients to your sushi rice to season it. So first you're going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Next you're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. And your final ingredient is going to be a tablespoon of salt. And you're going to stir that all together while the sushi rice is still warm. And your sushi rice is going to start to look very shiny, and it's going to get nice and sticky. All right, we've come to our final step. So now we're going to roll our sushi. We have our nori seaweed paper. We're gonna place it shiny side down onto your bamboo mat. Wrap your bamboo mat in plastic wrap to keep it from sticking. You can also just use plastic wrap if you don't have a bamboo mat at home. So first we're going to add our rice. Make sure you have some water nearby so you can dip your hands so the rice won't stick to them. So you're gonna dip your hands and grab your rice. And you're gonna just use your hands to spread your rice across the nori in a thin layer. And keep dipping your hands so your rice doesn't stick. And you're gonna wanna leave a little bit of room at the end. All right, so that's looking pretty good. All right, next we're gonna add our filling. So remember, our filling for this roll is going to be cucumber, avocado, and imitation crab. We're making a basic California roll, but you can use anything for your filling. Any of your favorite veggies, peppers, carrots, anything you like. All right, so we're gonna add our cucumber first and our avocado. And then we're gonna add our crab. Okay, now we're gonna roll our sushi. So remember to use your mat. You're not going to roll your mat into the roll, but you want to roll it over and then squeeze. So roll it over your filling first. And then you're going to squeeze. And then bring your mat down and bring it over again. And squeeze. And one more time. Roll and squeeze. And that is our sushi roll. It looks great. So finally, you're just going to slice your sushi roll into small sections. Make sure you use a really sharp knife for this. All right, and there's our sushi roll. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow us on social media at Cecil Library on Instagram and at Cecil County Public Library on our Facebook page if you want to see more cooking tutorials like this one for teens. Also, our at-home reading challenge on Beanstack also has a chef challenge for a badge. So if you do any recipes at home like this one, follow any of our tutorials, or even make your own recipe, make sure that you tag us on social media and you mark off your badge for our Beanstack at Home Reading Challenge. Finally, if you want more cooking tutorials, I recommend looking at delish.com and checking out the Nerdy Nummies YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe at home and have a good day.